Hello there. So we're going to take a look at the candy bar problem. The candy bar problem is a problem of, I've got a Snickers bar here, and I want to share even pieces with 8 of my friends. So before I do this, we're going to run this experiment. I'm going to ask you this question. How many pieces, or how many cuts rather, I've got this knife right here, okay, this very threatening looking knife. And you have to tell me how many cuts am I going to make? How many times do I cut this in order to come up with 8 roughly equal pieces? Now, it's not going to be exact science. And I want to thank Anna, my camera person right here, who's going to get some of the candy when she's done. So here's the deal, all right? So what's going to happen is first I'm going to open up my Snickers bar. Got it? We're opening up the Snickers bar. We have our perfectly conventional Snickers bar right here, okay? You want to focus in on the Snickers bar right there, so we get a Snickers bar. Looks like it's been in the machine just a little bit longer, a little bit melted, okay? So now I have 8 pieces. I can turn this into 8 pieces. So figure out how many. Now, the video is gonna pause again in a second. Don't pause it there, camera person, because when the video pauses, we're gonna see how many, how you figured out what you think. Why do you think it's that many cuts for my Snickers bar, okay? Now I'm gonna make 8 pieces. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in the middle, right here, see? Cutting it in the middle right here. That's 1 cut, all right? So now I'm gonna cut it here. And here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Now how many did I have to come up with? You remember, I'm going for 8 cuts, right? Or 8 pieces rather, not 8 cuts. So that's 1, 2, 3 so far, right? Then I'm gonna cut it here. 4, 5, 6, 7. So to get my 8 pieces, I had to make 7 cuts. And if I was going to turn this into, is my last question, if I was going to turn this into something that would work in both computer land and in algebra class, how would I write that? So how could I write an equation that would say, okay, if I wanted 8 pieces, I need to make X math problem cuts. Okay, if I wanted 16 pieces, it would be X math problem cuts. Okay, well, that's going to be your job. Thanks for watching. Cut.